So we are very happy that the spirit of quizzing lives on and thrives through Metal Meet. The winners are out, and we are very happy. We would like to congratulate the winners. But also, it was a very tough fight, both in the junior and the senior category. It was kind of neck to neck. So it's a huge round of applause. I'm sure we'll have to give to the winners. They were very spirited. The questions were very tough. So again, kudos to Mr. Ajay Punia. As always, he kept it fun and challenging at the same time. So, well, the winners. Have taken it all, and the other ones they will of course have to try better next time. But as long as everyone enjoyed the spirit of quizzing, we think we are successful. In the senior category, fight was very interesting. IIT Kharagpur, of course, came out as the champions of Metal Meet 2026 senior edition. But what a comeback for IIT Guwahati, because they were at minus at one point and then they climbed up to the second spot. So that was brilliant. And of course, our local team from Odisha, NLU, National Law University, Cuttack, they made it to the top three, so slot three. So we're glad. It was a great fight. There were a lot of very good competitive teams, and the three, of course, were well deserved. So the fight was interesting because the question pattern was interesting, the marking system was interesting. So every round came with huge changes, and there was opportunity for every team to kind of really make up their losses with every single round. So that was very interesting to see. Yes, in the junior category too, it was a very, very interesting round because we saw DAV Unit 8, actually, they are the defending champions, win the championship again, and they also made a comeback with mothers taking the second slot. And it both the junior and the senior category, I think it was very interesting because every round gave a chance to every team to either make a huge comeback or to score more and keep their lead ahead. So that is the beauty of quizzing, that is the beauty of Metal Meet. It gives every chance to every team to finally have hope till the end. So, Metal Meet 2026 concludes on a very high and exciting note. And congratulations to all the winners, participants, as well as everyone present here. May the spirit of quizzing live on and thrive.